Intro music begins, subtle and engaging. Welcome to Erodex, the trusted name in precision-engineered carbon solutions. In today's video, I'll explore carbon brushes, their applications, and why Erodex is the go-to choice for industries worldwide. Music shifts slightly to maintain engagement. First up, what is a carbon brush? Carbon brushes are small yet crucial components used in electric motors and generators. They maintain electrical contact with the rotating part of the machine, ensuring a smooth transfer of electricity. Without high-quality carbon brushes, motors and generators can suffer from inefficiencies, excessive wear, and even failure. Music continues to be subtle and professional. Now let's talk applications. From industrial machinery to power tools, railway traction motors to wind turbines, carbon brushes are found in a vast array of applications. Whether it's improving conductivity in high-speed trains or maintaining efficiency in renewable energy systems, carbon brushes play a vital role in keeping the world moving. Transition in music for emphasis. So, why choose Erodex carbon brushes? At Erodex, we specialize in manufacturing premium carbon brushes designed to maximize performance and longevity. Here's what sets us apart. Superior materials. We use only the highest quality graphite and composite materials for optimal conductivity and durability. Precision engineering. Each brush is manufactured with exacting tolerances to ensure perfect fit and function. Custom solutions. Need a bespoke carbon brush? We design and manufacture custom solutions tailored to your specific requirements. Stringent quality control. Every batch undergoes rigorous testing, ensuring reliability and performance under extreme conditions. Music becomes slightly more upbeat to underline key benefits. Choosing Erodex means you benefit from reduced wear and tear, prolongs motor life and reduces maintenance costs. Enhanced efficiency, optimized conductivity for minimal energy loss. Improved performance, smooth, uninterrupted electrical contact. Cost savings, longer-lasting brushes mean fewer replacements and lower operational costs. Music shifts to a more innovative tone. At Erodex, we continuously invest in research and development to innovate and improve our carbon brush technology. Our experts collaborate with clients to develop advanced solutions that enhance efficiency, reduce downtime, and drive productivity. Music returns to original, engaging theme. Looking for high-performance carbon brushes? Contact Erodex today. Visit our website or speak with our experts to find the perfect solution for your application. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more industry insights. Outro music fades out. End of video.